Okay, so I just got home and thought I'd watch a little TV, relax. Plugged in a movie, Bounty Hunter, and this is what I'm getting. It's now 2:40 a.m. Friday morning, December 10th, 2010. And once again, I wouldn't classify this as a little bit of distortion. I think, to say the least, that this is just a bit much. Certainly not watchable, that's for sure. Like I said, it's Friday morning at 2:42. So waited for a phone call from Comcast today, or yesterday, Thursday, after going out there Wednesday to see Barb Hagen or Bonnie Smith or someone, but the only one that showed any concern was the young lady at the front desk. So I guess this is going to proceed for like ever without ever getting resolved. But you know, their response to me is, you know, you can always find another service if you're not happy with Comcast. So anyway, here we go. Well, that's coming up on 5 minutes of video showing the distortion, so I guess that's probably enough.